Okay, so we have our clean and dry EC probe all ready to go. We're going to go into the drop-down menu here in calibration mode and select EC. As always, the first step is to clear calibration data. You want to remove any past calibration data that may have been stored. We will be using the same probe, and we're going to do a current calibration configuration. In the case of conductivity, we want to make sure that our stored temperature value is 25 degrees Celsius. And we also want to make sure that the proper K value for our probe is saved. In our case, we're using a K 1.0 probe. And here you can see those values have been confirmed. So we can start the first calibration process, which is dry calibration. Really easy. While that probe is just sitting here in the air, I'm going to take 3 readings by clicking the Get Reading button. And we'll be looking to see zeros across the board for that first reading. And down here we can see 0, 0, 0, meaning the probe is dry. I'll submit that dry calibration. And now I can take that probe, as well as the RTD, and put that into my 10,000 EC solution. We already have that poured, and I'm just looking right now to make sure there's no air bubbles trapped in the sensing area. We're looking good. And we're going to take a reading. We want to ensure that this solution is within that 25 degrees Celsius range. I'll read temperature. And here we can see we're within that plus or minus 2 degrees of 25. So I can now enter 10,000 into our low-end calibration field and submit. We're going to come back as soon as this locks in, and then we'll continue with the high-end calibration.